All right, graph situation A in the previous problem, number of bags and number of frozen juice pops. Remember to label your axes, use an appropriate scale, and include at least 3 points on your graph. Use the graph above as a guide. Okay, so this standard is I can graph a proportional relationship with accuracy and precision. So accuracy, we're looking for a good scale. Okay. Precision, we're looking for labels, something very, very clear. So if we use this as a guide, we have points that are clearly labeled. We have our axes labeled, and we have a very clear scale. Okay. So down here, we're going to go ahead and make our table. Our X is going to be number of bags, and our Y is going to be number of pops. And if we go back to the previous page with the, right, we have our ratio table there. We just need to copy it onto the front, or excuse me, onto the other problem. So I'm going to remember that one bag is 36 pops, and from there I can fill this out. One bag is 36 pops. 2 bags, 72. 3 bags, we just go ahead and add those together. It's 108. 4 bags, I can double 172. I gave you 4 points even though I said I only needed 3. So let's see here. I'm going to put my x-axis is down here. That's x, right? X is always down there. And that's number of bags. My y-axis is here, and that's going to be number of pops. I'll turn this sideways. Now I need a good scale. I've got plenty of room down here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tick marks. So I'm going to go ahead and make this 1. I'll make this 2. I'll make this 3. Maybe this 4. Okay. Now here, if I want to get all the way to 4, I have to get to 144. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. I can't use 10s because I won't be able to get to 144. So I think I'm going to go ahead and go by 20s. 20. That would be 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay, move my hand so you can see. 120, 140, 160. I don't really need to go much further than that. Now I just need to plot my points. One bag is 36, so here's 20. 30 would be right in the middle, a little bit more than that. 2 is 72, so we go to 2, here's 60, 70 would be right in the middle, a teeny bit more than that. 3 is 108, so here's 100, 108 would be right in the middle, a little less than that, so right about here. And if you're doing it correctly, we should have a very nice straight line that is appearing. And 4 is 144, so 140, 150 would be in the middle, so about halfway. Okay. In this situation, I'm going to go ahead and connect my dots because we could have a half a bag or a third of a bag, etc. 0, 0 would also be appropriate. 0 bags would have 0 pops. Nice straight line. And that is a good graph. If you really want to impress me, we'll put a title up here. Number of pops. Was it frozen pops? I think frozen pops. Number of frozen pops. Okay. All right. That is a graph that is accurate and precise and clearly labeled.